Hey there you guys, it is me, RandomJosh, and I'm back again with another Face Mask Friday video. And today we're going to be doing beauty again. I'm sorry you guys, but I know last week we did a lot of drugstore beauty, so today I actually wanted to go into something a little bit different. So I also have been ordering other stuff online, and these products are from the lovely Jeffree store. So we've got two products here, but lots of different things also. So the first that I want to go through is the legendary highlight. So this is in the shade Ice Cold. So that is what it looks like. That is the shade in Shimmer. So I haven't actually got any highlight on today. I know I look a little bit oily and glowy in the corners, but I'm going to just give this a go with my what is it called? Spectrum A10 brush. Oh yes. And that just gives such a nice gleam to the face. It's very, very metallic. So as you can see, I've now got that lovely shine on. I have applied it on my nose as well, so you can kind of see it there. So overall, how do I feel about this? I absolutely freaking love this. It is quite expensive, being $25.50, but literally, like, just to get this amount, like, this feels like a lot, and I hardly put a dent in what is in here, so this probably is going to last me, if it doesn't last me an entire year, I'd be surprised, you know, at least an entire year. The shade is gorgeous. They have so many shades. Like, they have a teal, they have the black, which actually looks quite shocking, but I think that would actually look quite cool on some people. But I just thought I'd go with Ice Cold because I thought it's the generic white sheen, and I'm very pale, so I thought it would look quite nice on my skin tone. So yeah, that is that for you. And now here I have in my hand something very awesome. So this is the Mini Velour liquid lipstick set. So this is the nudes. Open here for nudes, and it is super lush. So we have here 8 different nudes. So you've got Skin Tight here, we've got Mannequin, Celebrity Skin, Posh Spice, Rose Matters, Gemini, Leo, and Androgyny. So all of them are different shades of nude. Some of them are more pinky toned, but I will be giving you some swatches now, and yeah. So here we have Skin Tight, the first of our nudes. You can see that there, it's very sheer and gorgeous. Next, here we have the next shade, which is Mannequin, which is just there. And then next in the list is Celebrity Skin. A lot darker and gorgeous. Okay, so next we have Posh Spice. Again, it's quite a brown, deeper colour, which is actually very nice. So next we have the colour Rose Matters. A little bit more red in this one, but still very, very gorgeous. The next here we have Gemini, which is again a lot more red toned, but it is absolutely stunning. Okay, so next here we have Leo. Again, it's a lot darker, but it is still very nude and gorgeous. Okay, and next we have the final androgyny. There. So it's a little bit lighter, but still got a gorgeous colour to it. So yeah, that is all of the shades on my arm now. So we have Skin Tight, Mannequin, Celebrity Skin, Posh Spice, Rose Matters, Gemini, Leo, and Androgyny. But yeah, they're all so stunning and so gorgeous. So yeah. Okay there, so I have now officially tried everything on, and what can I say really? I am loving the lipsticks, like they just feel so beautiful and the colours are very nice as well, and yeah, they're so easy to apply. And I think this entire box was like £45, which is again quite a lot of money, but you do get 8 lipsticks and they're £16 each when you buy the full sized ones. But yes, so if you want to get your hands on one of these, head over to the description below and find yourself the link, and also find the link for your Skin Frost if you're looking for the bomb.com highlighter. So yeah, get on there and get checking that all out. But anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching this, and I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see each and every one of you guys in the next video. Peace out, bitches.